This evening with Imtiaz Mir. Today's my guest, world top leading singer and a musician, Sonia Majid is Dubai best. I welcome you in my talk show. I welcome you here in my talk show, Sonia Majid.
Thank you so much, Imtiaz sir. How are you? Assalamu alaikum to and adab to all our viewers.
You are the top leading musician and singer, Dubai best. I welcome you. What would you say? The music reflect the cultural identity and the values of a society. What would you say?
Okay, so music play a big role, and the thing is that music play a big role showing because through music we can really portray our culture. We can show the lifestyle and how we live, and the style, everything. Music through music you can understand the language, the feeling,
Yeah.
how people think, and how they feel. It brings out the love from the inside.
Sonia, the globalization impact the diversity of music, tradition, world view, worldwide. What would you say about this globalization?
Music have a biggest impact in the society and worldwide. I believe that it's nowadays it's very easy for any artist to connect with all over the world. Like suppose right now I am here in Dubai and you all are watching me in Karachi, so it's a biggest thing. And in music, that it makes our life very easy, and it's very easy to connect with each other
Uh,
through the countries.
Sonia,
It connects us with a larger scale of the audience.
Sonia, music contribute, shape national, international, regional pride, unity. What would you say?
Yes, of course, music unites us a lot, and music doesn't have a language. Uh, Most of the time, I'm performing all the time in a front of different nationalities. I based in Dubai. I perform in front of Europeans, Indians, South Indians, and then Russians. They all enjoy music. Music doesn't have a language, and I think music is everywhere, even in the universe, even in the sea. There is a music. So music unites us. This is the biggest thing which music brings into our life.
You live in a Dubai. Dubai is the international hub of
Yeah.
international activities, business activities. Technology has a change, the creation of music. What would you say?
Mhm.
What would you say?
Yeah, it brings a biggest change. I think the social media plays a biggest role nowadays in our life, especially in the artist life. It connects us with a larger scale of audience, and plus, it's very easy for us to showcase our talent all over the world. Like I'm right now in Dubai, and if someone wants me to perform in Europe or USA, it's very easy. Just I'm one click away. They can DM me on my social media ID, and they can have me in their country. So it connects each other. It connects with all the different cultures and the music.
Sonia, popular music, influence and influencing, social behavior and young people, opinions globally.
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
what's your opinion?
My opinion is that music doesn't have a language, and it really impact on a younger generation. It's all about what you want to spread through your platform. My platform is music, right? So I want to bring positivity, and I want to spread a message. I want to give message to the youth. What I believe is we all have a purpose of our life, why we came to this universe. So my purpose of life is I need to spread love, peace, and harmony through my music. So this is the platform. I'm here, and I'm just here to play my role. So lyrics play the biggest role in the universe. It's all about the lyrics, you know. it depends how you're singing, what kind of lyrics you are using.
Music industry and commercialization, in the word, significance of music festivals and international competitions. Music industry is changing day by day.
Yes, it does, and it's good to have a platform. It's good to have people participating. Like it unites us. Suppose if I'm here and I'm going to perform in a bigger scale or bigger level. Suppose in a Europe, in a USA, so it unites us. I'm going to sing. I take my culture from here, the Pakistan culture, and they bring their culture, and we make a fusion. So it means their I will introduce suppose if I'll say a Punjabi culture, because I'm from Lahore, I'm from, my language is Punjabi or Urdu. So I'm going to introduce our music, our culture, our everything, our, what kind of lifestyle we have. So when we go there, we perform, we unite two nations together, and we enjoy a lot with each other.
But you are very popular. Your song, your anthem in Dubai. When you were in Dubai, you sing. I think you were in Papua and national anthem. I think.
Yes, it was my honor that from the government of UAE, it was my privilege that they asked me to sing the UAE national anthem, and I'm the first Asian who sing UAE national anthem. And they have the Dubai government has gifted me a golden visa as well, and I believe that